First, you're going to need a mixing bowl, and you're going to be combining 1 packet of instant rise yeast, 1/4 of a cup of milk, a tablespoon and a half of sugar, 1½ cups of warm water, and a teaspoon of kosher salt. From there, you're going to mix. Then, you're going to add 4 cups of flour and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And then, you're going to mix it until it starts looking a little bit like dough. From then, you're going to put it into your mixer and have it on a dough hook and knead on medium speed for 5 to 8 minutes until the dough is formed. Then you're going to take it out and put on a flour surface with floured hands, and you're going to stretch it until it's the size of the dish you're putting it in. From then, you're going to coat that dish with oil. Then you're going to put the dough inside and flatten it out until it stretches over the entire dish. From there, we're going to cover it with plastic wrap and let it rise for 60 to 90 minutes, or until doubled in size. From then, you're going to score your dough to make it look like breadsticks. Then you're going to spray your dough with butter-flavored pan. And then we're going to make a spice mix in a separate bowl. We will be combining 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of dried oregano, 1 tablespoon of dried basil, some twists of ground pepper, and a small mountain of salt, as well as 1/4 of a cup of Parmesan. You're going to mix it and then spread it evenly over your dough. Then, you're going to place it in a 475 degree oven for 15 to 20 minutes or until golden brown. Then, you're going to take it out of your dish and put it on a wire rack. You don't want it to cool so long because you want to have this warm. Now, this is a perfect dish as an appetizer or snack over this break.